YouTube again. We have here the beautiful Amber Charismatic. If you don't know her, if you missed to follow her, go here. We have the link. Follow her on Instagram. We have right now amazing shot. We have an amazing red dress. And yeah, I'm more the black and white guy, but Amber liked the color a bit more. We show you now both, and you can then decide self what you like more. Just for the setup shortly, we have here a big sun bouncer. In the back we have a beauty dish, and that's all. A gray backdrop, and the camera settings are the shutter speed 160, f-stop 4.0, and ISO 100. You ready? You know your mark? Perfect. Then let's do some color shots and then some black and white, and you can then decide what looks better. So 1, 2, 3, nice. 1, 2, 3, really good. 1, 2, 3. 1, oh, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3, nice. 1, 2, 3, really good. Now we do some black and white shots, and you can comment then what you like more, black and white or color. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Amber, thank you a lot. We have a nice shot here. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.